Hey, good morning everyone. And we got the drone and it's super early. This is sunrise, everyone. Sunrise is up. It's gonna be a beautiful view in the canyon. I waited till the perfect moment, everyone.
Run away,
Bicicleta.
you need to the sea. We gotta let the music play, 'cause life is still a mystery.
I appreciate you, and I hope that you like this video just as much as I did. We are having a great time out here, and just in a few moments we were able to build an amazing video. So go out there, whatever you think of, envision, build it, my friends. I was thinking when I came out here the other night, at nighttime, I said how much of an amazing drone video it would be to put up on my channel. And sure enough, I'm sure this was gonna be an amazing video, everyone. I hope you enjoy the landscape. It was phenomenal time out here, and come out here next time you come to Vegas. This is like the Blue Diamond Red Rock Loop, I call it, the Diamond Red Rock Loop. Ciao, everyone. Like this video. My wife's in the car, she's chilling, she's waiting. Say bye. Look at that view. This is spectacular out here. Absolutely phenomenal. Thank you so much for driving while I was flying. And we got some runners out here. That's pretty tight. See, this is a happening place, everyone. Gotta love the lifestyle out here. Ciao for now. Hope you guys are liking the video so far. Give this video a like. Let's go, let's go. Bike, bike, bike.